my angel fairies, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing, gorgeous, abundant day. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make 2021 your best year yet. I'm going to teach you guys how to plan out your year, how to implement special habits so you can be the best person you can be, and also manifesting techniques to help you manifest all your dreams and your goals. So if you guys enjoy the video, hopefully you will thumbs up, comment down below what other videos you would like to see from me, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on that post notification button so you won't miss a video from me. And also, I do have a sale up on my shop right now. It's 20% off all prints, and my Zodiac grinders are back in stock. So if you guys would like to get a grinder to grind up your herbs or your other herbs, if you know what I'm saying, and get it in your sun, moon, rising, or Venus sign, the link is down below to shop them. So let's finally get into the video. So the first thing we're going to be talking about is how to plan out your yearly goals and your monthly goals. And honestly, I am so sorry I did not make this video at the beginning of January. Even though January is coming to a close, you can start getting your shit together right now. So I'm going to teach you guys how to plan out an entire month and also just plan out the year so you can break it down and all that good shit. When I started implementing this practice, everything was just so much smoother and easier. My thoughts were organized, and I was just getting shit done, okay? So the first thing you want to get is your tools. What I recommend using is a notebook, and my favorite notebook to use is this one. Boom, look how cute she look. So this notebook is on my website. It is the 5 of Wands notebook. Now, I use this notebook to plan out all my YouTube videos, to plan out my months, to get business shit together. Like, this notebook is super awesome for it. So I always write down everything I need to do first before I put them in a computer, a notes app, a phone. Like, writing down everything you need to do just makes it so much easier and gets all your thoughts out on paper. I don't know why I can't just go into the fucking computer and do that shit. That's just not me. So I definitely use these notebooks to get everything I need to do out on paper, written and organized. If you guys would like to have this notebook, it is on my website. However, after you do that, the next thing you want to do is put it in a little chart or like something that organize everything. And the one that I use is Trello. I freaking love Trello. It's super easy. I've been trying all these other products or these other like organizational websites, but Trello is the one that truly works for me. Like, it's super easy. I don't have to do all that extra shit with Notion or with Google Calendar. Trello is super fucking easy, and this is not sponsored. I'm sorry. I just really love Trello, honestly. But Trello, if you want to sponsor me, hit me up, girl, because I love you. Hello. So what I use to do with Trello is I put everything up in separate boards. So I have my sponsorships and collabs. I have my business projects and goals. I have my tarot readings that I need to do. I have my commissions that I need to do. I have the YouTube videos that I need to do, all that good shit. Trello is super awesome for it. So I'm going to put a link down below if you guys would like to start using Trello. After you write down everything that you need to do for this year and for each month, you can put it in Trello, and it'll be a super easy way to go back to it so you guys won't have to flip through a notebook to get the shit that you need to get. The next thing I kind of recommend is a planner and a to-do list, because with the planner you can write out every single thing you need to do for each day of the week, and with to-do list, on that day you can write it down and boom, you're good. You have everything organized. You don't have to look every place or just get all fucking fumbled because you don't know where your stuff is going. No, you know where it's going. It's going in your planner, and then it's going to go on your to-do list so you can do the work for the day. I'm gonna get y'all together though. This is not cooking you together. Now it's finally time to sit with yourself and plan out your goals. So the first thing I want you guys to do is plan out your yearly goals. Try to write down at least 5 things you want to accomplish for this year. And it can be anything. It can be you having a health goal, or you a money goal, or a emotional or physical goal, like any type of goal that you want to really accomplish this whole year and work towards accomplishing. Write out 5 of those. Now, if you have more of them, definitely do so, but just sticking with 5 kind of helps you. It doesn't overwhelm you when you probably won't reach the other goals, which I know you guys will, because my babies are some abundant, powerful, disciplined, motivated bitches, okay? All right. So after you sit down and write down 5 things you want to plan out for the year, you want to just really look over it, actually believe that you're going to achieve those things because you can, and then you break down how you're going to achieve those goals. So that's one thing I really do. So say if you want to work on your physical appearance because you want to look a certain way, which is a-okay. That is up to you. It's your body. You have to live in it. Be happy with it. So if you want to become more feminine, so what would you do to become more feminine? So maybe to being feminine to you, which being feminine to me means like having soft, nice skin, always taking my care of myself, so always having my hair done, always having beautiful makeup, really nice clothes, things of that nature. I start implementing how I would get these things and how I would do it in my everyday routine. So with the hygiene part, I really love smelling good and feeling really soft. So I started implementing putting oil on my body along with moisturizing myself and doing a really good skincare routine to keep my skin as nice as I want it. So that's what I mean when I say break down your goals so it can be easier for you to achieve, because a lot of us write down our goals, but we never write down how we're going to achieve those goals. And that's what kind of fucks us up when we're trying to reach them. We don't know how we can reach them. So when we do try to do it, we're really confused. We don't know where we need to go, what we need to do. So writing down exactly how you're going to achieve them is going to help you manifest those goals into your reality and make it super easy for you to achieve them within the year you want to achieve them. So after you write down your yearly goals and you've broke it down to how you're going to achieve them, you're going to write down your monthly goals, okay? So for your monthly goals, you can write down 3 to 5 projects, personal and business goals as well. And I want to do that for the yearly goals as well. So make sure you do your personal and business as well, okay? Split those two up because I know y'all got it. And then after you write down those goals that you want to achieve each freaking month, you're going to break down how you're going to achieve those goals each freaking month. So I kind of block them off in certain ways. So I do my business goals, my personal goals, and my financial goals. Those 3 categories is how I break it down each month and for the whole year as well. So I highly recommend doing that, breaking it down like that. And for the financial goals, if you're kind of confused as to how you're going to make it as a whole, say if your monthly goal is $10,000. So to reach that monthly goal of $10,000, you're going to break down how much you want to make each week to equal up to $10,000. And then you're going to break down how you're going to make it each day. And doing that makes it super freaking easy. I think I'm going to write out a template for you guys so you can plan these out really well. It's just me hearing me say it. I want you guys to like really get it down. So I'm going to make a template down below. The link is going to be down below to the template. It's absolutely free. After you do those goals, you're a-okay for the fucking year. You're set. You're ready to get shit done. But now we need to move on to setting new habits. Now, setting new habits is absolutely key if you want to become a certain person, or you kind of want to, be better than you were last year, or trying to reach a certain frequency of your manifestation. So say if you're trying to manifest a house, how would you be, or what would you do if you already have this house? And that kind of ties in with acting as if. So setting new habits and all that good shit really helps you achieve all that good shit. So the habits, the one way to set habits, or the one way you can do habits. So my first step in setting new habits is writing down who you would like to be this year. I recommend getting a journal, the one that I just showed you at the beginning of this video. Write down in that journal who you want to become this year. So say it in the present tense as if you're already that person, because you are, and I want you guys to believe that, okay, babies? So I am wealthy, I am healthy, I am loved, I am receiving and giving love to others, I am kind, I am gorgeous, I am beautiful, I am successful, I am wealthy, I am at peace, I am loving, all that good shit. Write it down in your journal and make sure you believe as you're writing it that you're going to be that person. So after you write down those goals, now you need to figure out how you would be this person, or how you would achieve becoming this person. And doing that, in trying to become that person, you have to set new habits and set new goals. So the way you do new goals and set new habits, you kind of really correlate it to who you're trying to become. So if you're saying, I am successful, or I am wealthy, what is a successful person, or who is a wealthy person, or what does a wealthy person look like to you? So a wealthy person to me looks like me getting up in the morning and being productive, me actually researching things so I can really better my business and better myself, me connecting with others to really build a community and of loving and kindness. That's what being wealthy and being successful means to me. Or doing things that are aesthetically pleasing for my brand, finding my niche and my audience, things like that. So you're going to have to really set those habits so you can become that person. After you figure out what habits you are trying to set for the new year, start implementing those habits slowly into your daily life. So don't try to jump in with every single habit at the first time or at the same time, because that's really going to you're gonna explode with all the pressure and shit like that that's going to come onto you. So I want you to slowly implement those new habits into your life. So I say probably 2 habits per month that you want to become into your life. So say if you want to wake up earlier than you already have. So say if you're waking up at 10 a.m. now, but you want to wake up at 7. That's one habit you can implement the next day by setting your alarm, going to bed early, and waking up at that designated time, or try to wake up at that designated time. I want you to really be kind to yourself as you're setting these new habits. Of course, be disciplined, knowing that if you want to set these habits and want to become this person, you have to try to do it. But be kind to yourself if you miss 1 day or 2 days. One thing about setting new habits is you don't give up even if you mess up. So even if you mess up, don't give up. Continue to try to implement those habits, and then it's just going to start sticking to you like glue. Especially with me, I wanted to wake up a little bit earlier than 7 a.m. I wanted to wake up at 6 a.m. And at the beginning, it was super hard, y'all. It was so fucking hard. Like, I would get up at like 6:50. Like, I would see that alarm and I was like, anyway, back to 6:50. And then slowly but surely, with the help of my ancestors as well, I started to get up at 6 o'clock, and it was out of nowhere. Like, once that alarm came on, I jumped up out my bed and I was like, whoa, so finally I'm waking up on time. I'm waking up when I want to wake up. And that actually happened like 2 weeks ago. And I've been working on trying to do this for like a month. So that was kind of amazing. So don't give up, because eventually you're going to reach those habits, and those habits are going to make you the best person you can be. If you're having trouble trying to stick to these habits, remind yourself why you started these habits in the first place. That is what really helps me continue to practice these habits so they can become second nature to me. So I wanted to wake up because I want to be more productive and get more work done and really do my spiritual work every single day. And when I was waking up at 7, I thought it was not enough time for me to do all the things I wanted to do, so I had to wake up earlier. So that was what really motivated me to wake up even earlier than I was. So remember why you started to do these new habits, and make sure it kind of gives you that spark of, okay, let me discipline myself. Let me go ahead and do this. Even if I don't want to do this, even if I don't want to get up, I know what I need to do. But also, don't overwork yourself. Know your limits, and know that it's okay to just skip a day, skip a week, but you're going to come back to it. That's the key. Never, ever give up. That's one thing about me. I would never, ever give up. I would procrastinate to hell, but I still try to do it eventually. It'll take months, but it's done. So these are some habits I recommend you guys set that'll be really awesome for the new year, for 2021. So the first habit is going to bed early or on time. Now, I really recommend this because I used to go to bed like at 3 a.m. and then wake up at like 7 or wake up at 10, and it was not good for me at all. I felt gross. I felt sluggish. My body was not getting that full 8 hours, and I was just not feeling good. So when I started to take a sleeping aid and go to bed at around 9 to 10 p.m., I started to feel better. I started to wake up earlier. Now, I do still take naps during the day. I mean, baby, you ain't gonna, I need my sleep. So if you guys would like to wake up early, I highly recommend going to bed early, taking a sleeping aid. Try not to watch anything that'll get you pumped before bed, and also take a nap if you start feeling sleepy when you wake up early. Like around 10 to 11 or 10 to 12 is when I take my little nap, so I can be very energized to get shit done during the day. So I highly recommend that for those who are trying to slowly ease into waking up early. The next one I recommend is organization and waking up early. For organization, that means get your planners, to-do list, have something to really set your goals so you can stay organized and know what the fuck you need to do. So your mind won't be jumbled. Get your thoughts out on paper and you'll be Gucci. And for waking up early, you'll probably have a better time to get shit done and feel a little bit more productive if you do wake up early. The next one is do 3 tasks each day and then rest when you need to rest, or rest when you require rest. Now, a lot of us in this capitalist society, we don't rest when we need to rest because we feel as if though we are on a timetable, which unfortunately we are, but personally, I don't give a fuck. If I need to rest, I'm going to rest, because for the past like 21 years, I never took the time to really listen to my body and sit down and calm down, knowing that the stuff that I need to do will be there the next day and I can get on it the next day. So I highly recommend you guys rest when you need to rest. If you feel tired, go to sleep. And please do not play with me. My babies need to get their 8 hours. I'm not playing with y'all. And then the next one, like I said, was do 3 tasks a day. If you do 3 tasks a day, it'll kind of get you slowly but surely to where you need to go. So that's what I do each day instead of doing like 5 to 10 tasks a day, because that's going to overwhelm me. 3 tasks a day is perfect amount to do, and you won't feel overwhelmed, and you will get more shit done that way. Next one I recommend you guys to do is research and gain knowledge on things. So if you need to know certain things and you don't know, I highly recommend you guys do some research, gain knowledge on certain things that you want to gain knowledge on, so you can go and build those skills for whatever you want to do in your life. And then the next one, very much the last one, is do 1 hour of your spiritual practices every single morning or every single day. Now, me implementing that into my daily life has helped me immensely, simply because I have been neglecting it every single day. I did not have the time to do it, but once I made time, when I took out an hour to just sit there with my ancestors and with myself and with my higher self and just meditated, did divination and tarot, journaled, and really do some shadow work, it made my days and made my weeks so amazing, and it kind of got my spiritual practice, and it helped me be grounded and all that good shit. So I highly recommend you guys at least take 1 hour a day to do something spiritual. Okay, and if you can't do it during the day, or you think you don't have a lot of time during the day, you can do some sleep meditation at night. I have a playlist down below with all my meditations and what all I do to meditate for my chakras and also go to sleep too. So all you have to do with sleep and meditation is put on the frequency or put on whatever chakra you want to work on, and then you go to sleep thinking about that chakra, or you just go to sleep and it'll just do the rest for you. Like if I'm trying to ground and do root chakra work, I'll put that on, and then I'll wake up grounded. I'll wake up at peace. Last night I did some sacral chakra work, and my dreams were horny as hell. So just really get into it, okay? And now I'm feeling really creative today, so that's some sleep meditation for you. And then the last one is manifestation techniques. I'm going to put up a video up here for manifestation techniques and go in depth with them a little bit more. But the manifestation techniques I want you guys to really work on or really try is manifesting with your orgasm, creating a vision board. I really love the vision board that I created, and I put it as a wallpaper on my phone so I stay focused on what I'm supposed to be doing. New moon manifestation rituals. I used to manifest on the new moon, but not so much anymore because I don't know, I'm just not feeling it. But I highly recommend new moon manifesting because it's pretty much a great moon phase for new beginnings. So I recommend that. Sleep manifesting or sleep meditation manifesting. When you go to sleep thinking about what you want to manifest, it just comes instantaneously. I also have music down below in that playlist to help you manifest your desires. So if you put that frequency on and go to sleep thinking about what you desire, it'll come to you fast as fuck. And then the last one is writing out 3 manifestations each day. I do this all the time. I kind of slacked up on it a couple of weeks ago, but now I'm back on my shit. So each day I write down 3 manifestations that I want to see come true today, and every single time I do it, it do come true. So it may be the same manifestations over and over and over, or it can be something different, but at least write out 3 manifestations each day so you can get into the groove and practice of manifesting, because you do manifest all the time without you even knowing it. So I highly recommend doing that as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I'm so sorry that this took like a whole month of me doing so to bring it to you. However, I hope you guys get some useful information out of it. Sunday is coming up and Monday will be February 1st. So I think Sunday of this week is the perfect day to start planning out how you want this year to go and how you want the rest of the months to go if you haven't done so already. I hope these practices help you out in any way possible. And if they do, comment down below because I would love to hear it, or let me know on my social media. It's going to be linked down below, and it also put it at the beginning of this video, but whatever. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to have a beautiful, gorgeous, abundant day. Bye, my little angel fairies.